Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, what is Solana doing? Solana is still moving sideways, hasn't really decided what it wants to do. It doesn't really join the other cryptos in the rally. Some altcoins have seen a bit of a rally today. Okay, now Bitcoin has come down a little bit and quite a sharp pullback. But still a lot of coins have rallied nicely, whereas Solana isn't really doing much. Now, if you think about it, Solana spent already the last 6 months rallying, basically producing a third wave, extending a third wave, so it's obviously a little bit exhausted. Could still get one more high in the white scenario in to the direction of $135 plus. Could absolutely still do this. However, certain conditions need to be fulfilled for this, and the main support level I see on the chart is at $47. That's support together with $59 and $79. These are the main support levels I see on the chart in case we get the deeper pullback, which means basically wave 4 could already be unfolding. So two scenarios: short-term bearish, as you know if you watched the previous videos. Wave 3 topped. It was a very, very long move to the upside, obviously, since June. So wave 3 topped, and we are now in this pullback in an ABC structure. And the B wave might extend a little higher, could already be done. If it comes down now, probably wave B was done. And if we first of all break below $92, which is yesterday's low, and then follow through and break below $84.80, which is the Monday low, well, I mean, I have to assume that the C wave of wave 4 is already coming down. Okay, but there is not the clear-cut scenario. It's a bit difficult because as long as pullbacks are corrective and not impulsive, I can leave the door open for higher, but that wave 4 would really grow in size. I mean, talking about wave 4 in white would really grow significantly, and can't really believe it anymore if we get a break below that Monday low there. So that's the short-term bullish scenario in which we could still get one more extension, but again, with a break below that Monday low, it's the short-term bearish case, which, as I just showed you, is basically an A, B, C structure. Support levels are clear for that, but yeah, at the moment we have to keep the door open for higher as well. So the market hasn't decided yet, so that also means that probabilities are fairly balanced here. The medium-term trend is up, obviously, since the June lows, so still watching for a fifth wave to the upside on the larger time frame. Here in the short term, it's a little bit unclear. Certainly there is not a clear setup available for that fifth wave to the upside. Okay, I don't see a clear setup. How could it unfold, this fifth wave? Well, it would have to unfold as an ABC structure for various reasons. And this A wave is likely unfolding as a flat structure, A, B, C. So it might give us one more high here, and then we have an ABC complete in wave A. If the subsequent pullback is corrective and is forming a higher low, well, that could be the setup for a C wave higher to $135 or $147. However, if it's doing all this, and even if it gets another high, stays stuck in resistance, and then shows an impulse down, and then even a lower high, well, that would be a setup for the move lower. Okay, so we need a little bit more price data. I think the price hasn't really revealed its intentions yet. The next resistance is obviously here, the descending trend line. Still, price couldn't break above it. Tried earlier, couldn't do it. That move earlier looked like, okay, yeah, we might finally do it. At least move higher in wave A or the yellow B wave, but it failed. Got rejected at least at this trend line. And then we've got very important resistance level here at $116, $117. It's the 78.6 retrace of the decline and the previous swing high. That level needs to break to be able to look towards 134.80, which is at least the first target here for the white count. So we need a little bit more patience. Don't be surprised if we get the deeper pullback already. In my opinion, taking out those previous swing lows and the ascending trend line would be additional confirmation that the C wave down is unfolding. And then we can take a look at these support levels there. But yeah, overall, as I said before, they are both two different pathways to the same target basically, because either wave 4 is unfolding right now and we get a wave 5 then, or third wave still unfolding, then wave 4 and then wave 5. Just two different pathways here on the microstructure, micro level. But again, there isn't a great setup for trading the move to the upside. This is a bit in no man's land, this chart at the moment, and there are and have been much better setups in the last few days. Coins which we also cover here, obviously. So yeah, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.